Abuse VQ, stay locked in.
Alright, team, let's see what's up, Mo. I don't know if I'm still having this same problem that I had last night. Yo, took a small drive, Mo. Super small drive. And, like, no sooner than I started the car last night, the shit went into limp mode. Like, why is that on, bro? Like, that shit should not be like that. And see, check engine. It's like, this shit is telling me pretty much my throttle body is fucked up. Because this is the shit that happened to me last night. I put this shit in gear and I don't go anywhere, Mo. You see my TCS and slip light is on. Check engine. The shit is going to tell me there's something wrong either with my throttle body or my accelerator pedal, which this is all brand new, bro. Like, this shit happens once in a blue moon, but now the last 3 times I started my car, it's telling me this. So I might need to clean the throttle body, see how that goes first. I don't know, but that's what it is. Cause I know I go to start driving this shit, I'm not going anywhere, bro. I can have my foot all the way on the gas. Look, I hit the gas, the needle don't even go nowhere. Look at that shit. Bro, foot on gas, bro. That shit is going nowhere, bro. So I gotta see what's up. Let me tinker with this shit a little bit. Alright, so this is what it's giving me. I mean, I had a shitload of codes before, but that was because I definitely started the car without the throttle body connection being hooked up or the mass airflow sensor being connected. So it had mad codes, but when I dubbed all of those, started the car again, this is what I got. And let's see. So replace accelerator pedal position sensor, replace ECM, replace thermostat, clean throttle body. I don't know. I mean, my thermostat should be good. My heat and shit was bumping the other day, so I know it's not my thermostat. Thermostat is good. Clean the throttle body, I'll try that. Replace accelerator pedal position sensor, the APP. Let's look into that. Top of the morning, 18. I already know shit looking real ugly outside right now, but I got down to getting an understanding of why our shit would go into limp mode and what would send our shit into limp mode. So let me just flip this around and I got y'all. So if you got that 6th Gen Max and your shit just be going into limp mode out of nowhere, it's 3 things that I know for a fact that will send your shit into limp mode. One of the things is if your camshaft position sensor is failing. That shit is failing, will automatically go into limp mode. You know what I'm saying? Another joint that if you have disconnected your EGR valve, that will automatically send your car into limp mode. You know what I'm saying? But for me, what I found out is if your car cannot read its coolant temperature sensor, or your coolant temperature sensor is faulty, failed, on the way out, anything like that, your car will automatically go into limp mode. So doing my research, I found those 3 things out. But for me, it was my coolant, because looking at my last video, I had the car running, but my coolant gauge wasn't rising or anything like that. So once I kind of fiddled with that and redid the wiring yesterday too, that helped out. So now you can see we are up and running, everything. Let's see, pedal, yep, gas pedal. Yeah, let's get it. We back in business, baby. You already know I stick with it till I get it. I'm cold right now, bro. See, replace downstream O2 sensor. So we're gonna do that and see what's up. Hopefully that'll be the fix. If not, that's not the fix, then the shit is my flex pipe. But other than that, those are the only things. Yeah, replace oxygen sensor, bank 1, sensor 2. Yeah, see, shit at the bottom. So let's get that. Let's do that. think I narrowed down the problem for this what is it, P2a00, some shit like that, yo. But see, my monitoring systems, your bank 1 sensor 2, bank 2 sensor 2, you see these shits is still at 2.8, right? But let's step on the gas a little bit. You don't see any fluctuation, bro. Like the oxygen sensors, the air fuel sensors above and below, bank 1, this moves. When you step on the gas. Bank 2 moves. But when you look at the monitoring, these shits don't really go anywhere, bro. So I think we need 2 new ones. Let's see if that'll change anything. Cause yeah, this is still bare minimum monitoring anything, and it's not changing. I'm stepping on the gas. It's not changing with the other 2 oxygen sensors. So the 2 monitoring sensors in the back, this is gonna be bank 1 sensor 2 and bank 2 sensor 2. Yeah, need some new O2 sensors there, the monitoring sensors. So let's do it. All right, team, just wanted to get in here right quick. You see I got the fresh zip ties, ain't cut anything, but we just got the 2 new rear oxygen sensors. So this is gonna be bank 1 sensor 2, that's gonna be bank 2 sensor 2. So let's go. Got the new joints in, I got the battery disconnected. Hopefully that will reset everything by the time I drop the car and get everything back and clean up. Hopefully that'll be enough time, but these are the 2 new sensors that I got, old ones in the box. Yeah, hopefully this should fix the code. I'm gonna compare this to the other codes that I got finished cleaning up and cutting some of these zip ties, so it'll be nice and clean under here, and we can call it a wrap, baby. Keep your eye in the loop, see what the graph and the logs say, see what the scan tool says. Shit is actually moving how it's supposed to. Damn, you step on this shit.